What's the brain? The brain is the organ that controls body functions, thoughts, reactions to stimuli, and movement. The brain is made up of three different parts: the cerebellum, the cerebrum, and the brainstem. It is divided into different regions that control different functions of the brain, but they are all part of the two main parts, which are the right hemisphere, also called representational hemisphere, and it controls the left side of the body. It also has temporal and spatial relationships, and communicates emotions. And the left hemisphere then, also known as the categorical hemisphere. The left hemisphere controls the right side of the body, but it also produces and understands languages. And in between the two hemispheres is the corpus callosum, for the communications between the left and the right sides of the brain. Now to the split parts of the hemispheres. First of all, the frontal lobe, located, guess where? In the front behind your forehead. It controls the behavior, process of thoughts, problem solving, attention, and the creative thoughts. It also controls your emotions and your physical reactions. Some other functions it controls are reflection, judgment, coordination of movements, sense of smell, some motor skills, and your intellect. The occipital lobe, which is in the back, controls your vision and reading. The parietal lobe is in the center of the top from your brain, controls your sense of touch, appreciation of form through touch, response to internal stimuli, sensory combination, and comprehension. Some language and reading functions and some visual functions to it. The temporal lobe, which is the biggest part on the sides of the brain, controls the auditory memories, some hearing, visual memories, music, some visual pathways, other memories, some languages, some speech, some behavior, and emotions, and sense of identity. The cerebellum controls the balance, posture, and cardiac, respiratory, and vasomotor centers. The last one, which is shown in the picture, is the brainstem. Controls the motor and sensory pathways in the body and face. It also controls the vital centers: cardiac, respiratory, and vasomotor. There are actually a few more parts of the brain, for example the hypothalamus. But we just go further and explain the behavior of the brain in case of alcohol consumption.
Alright, no, perfect. I'm gonna talk to you guys about something that is hot right now. Alright, those drunk zombies or whatever. There seem to be none of them right now, but they will come. They always do. Alright? Quickly, the most important things about them. Alright? Their language is very blurry. They seem very self-confident, happier, and very positive. It's impressive. I don't know how they do it. I mean, that they have been drinking before they were 25 years old. And they are severely damaged. Their decisions are way poorer than the other ones. They are 4 times as aggressive as the other ones. Quickly, the worst ones, well, it really depended on how much they drank, how often, how healthy they were, their gender, and if they had something on their stomach. Alcohol not only did that, but it also disrupted their nerves. They don't remember anything. Their decisions are very poor, as I already said. They're very influenced. Alright? If you see one of these, don't be a dummy and run for your life. Ape out.